Amin Mohammed enso oy joine Bechem United ya edemo ensem no Pantinensis ni bonsa Amino elidi attack no edema Bechem United Amin Mohammed Brantia okoye chese Sam Emeka say trials be with Manchester City any City ko boy ne ade a benei wasan returning back to Ghana obobo adiama Bechem United team na mede sa enkomo no nso ema wo dwumadie no eso ama bia atumi nso akoso ewo ye elsewhere ntino eno ye de mu nsema ye de eba na niema nyina atumi nso kama ede ama wo ntino Amini Mohammed the champion striker joining Bechem United the wonder kid samre we na oboma Ghana under 20 no adwuma na oye no na nya nketo na City befa nei oba Bechem United yen so Christopher Bonsuba official wasan ede ama Akasia enti ono na season oni abrante ne tin ene choso no maturity gune kwakobo owo Akasia team no intino ukwa konya business no dio ewote defense Akasia enya senketwa kwa erimu nso enso atumi by contract until 2029 and wasan ede ama mo Samson Amediama winger abrante ne David Boyson and so no David Boyson from Pong I join Mediama Timino from FC Cope Anasanum I join FC Copenhagen from Mediama Edmondson and so to me Banapia so can we say loan and a branch away Ecobodiama FC Copenhagen you know etimu enkomo na Kumasi Asante Koroko players not to sumamen Kumasi Asante Koroko this season and I said this summer Koroko released 7 players was signed 10 players so far Koroko only this 7 players this summer was signed 10 players any other beshim this season Koroko Emma Kwesi Asante Frederick Asare Michael Che Jamina Andrew Ajete Wisdom Bussy Samson Eduku and Justice Blay these are the 7 players ya Koroko Ebiliziomo this summer now this summer no Koroko assigned 10 players these are the 10 players Hubert Jau Francis Aqua from Bechem United Hubert Jau from Bekum Chelsea Johnson upon Owusu and so adjoining team from A Dream Subsea Fuseni Zakaria Bekum Chelsea Aziz Haruna Dari from Bechem United Sot Kwajo from Bechem United Joseph Amwa from Legon Cities Lord Hirari Adabo from Samantas 1996 Philip Amo from Nelson New Edubiase then Saibu Abubakari from Timothy and now Sonom Karela United Etikumasi Asante Koroko unsigning 10 players this summer 10 nana mamo 15 billion Ghana cedis eso monkofa players mina this season Koroko Confederation Cup ako compete eti Koroko 10 players and was signed after so releasing 7 players na chances in Kukubule after so Koroko releasing no unin say ni interview ni POFM kofa nsempi ereba no chances to ana say ni team manager no to justice in Kukubule ebe wuramu fan video no to sumame obewuramu ye ade France no US no akwa na home kakra na ono ana ekono justice in Kukubule and when schools no okọ United States of America akwaji na home na wahwe no mu se nesis no betimi bounce back strongly na ababo achuma atumi so ediama koma se Asante Korokwa yedimu ansan eba sign fan picture no etoso justice in Kukubule and the eba na se Blay no ono so together with Blay Justice Blay Foundation no omo donate amount undisclosed na se no yemfa amount no antudwa a huge amount of money ediama pole na busua ne yire ana afensu no ne mano ese wachache omumfa enhwe mo woni se next last season ene koba ne se Poland so no eto ananum won se do abra kuma Asante Koroko ebobo game again nsu ateman nana konamansa park ya obi nso ekowo ne se kan yo sede no na Poland ram so to ananum won se do no na Justice Blay a huge amount of money akuma Poland ne yire ana afensu ne mano a eremon se ne eba na Samatex 1996 assigning former Kotoku Royals forward Clinton Kume on 3-year deal. Edmondson Banti Clinton Kume joining Samatex team on 3-year deal. Edmondson nso Emma Kama. Na Black Queens goalkeeper Cynthia Golan. Black Queens goalkeeper no shotstopper no Cynthia Golan. Eno den sem tuja ese mo amoka say na wasan ontimi keep clean sheet. Say Black Queens 70 crore dey consider no or come we see na so say quality keepers best keepers we are simukra no top keepers from other goal na die ni adani ya kwa chikwa no omo consider enyo no ye friend Cynthia etu o consider normal yentie Cynthia nsema o de to dwane bi.
You conceding, if you are a good goalkeeper, definitely you concede, There's no best goalkeeper in the world that will say he or she doesn't concede goals. So you concede and you learn from it.
For Ankara, another some to try. As the 6 new regions, it is ever better when it comes to building sports facility for them. There is also plan for existing facilities. Our Somonson Eshe, Yankai of Ankara, Sereno, Sunyane, there no new 6 no by any encounter. You will tell him that I name Yanyan Stadium. Yentia Yaw Amp of Ankara and some of the 2 Janbi.
His Excellency the President is committed to ensuring that we have the best infrastructure in Ghana under his second tenure, and already he's hit the ground running. We're very inspired by the leadership of His Excellency, and it's one of the reasons why we're also keen to make a mark, the great leadership he's showing. Infrastructure, sports-wise, it's not a secret that the NDC has been very strong on that, and it's just a matter of continuing what has been a tradition. But with regards to the new venues, obviously, the new regions have called themselves the orphan regions for a reason. They believe they've not had a fair share of the cake and they deserve better. And during the campaign period, His Excellency listened to all these, the cries for help, a share of the national cake. And this is in order, and this is just exactly what His Excellency promised, and there is a plan for existing facilities to be looked at. If it is re-engineering that needs to be done, expansion, complete overhaul, and then obviously the new infrastructure in the new regions, where previously they called themselves the orphan regions. At least now they'll feel that they're not being left out, and I think it's the best way forward, and we'll make sure that we use a template that we're using for the larger facilities to manage the new ones that will be put in place. So
okay, no, yaw Ampofo Ankara, National Sports Authority, General Director Anawatene Kano, na Oden Senibi Etwa so say for Vines Cartel, ne show na Obaba Bona chese hun komope banam, de betimi aka akra. Ede afa won say your engagement akoso contract akoso ede afa vice cartel no concert no nti o ka say bibia nkoso dia na oboa bibia akoso o mo vice cartel ede nkomo ede afa no concert obobo December no yentie no.
Any engagement with an act, an international act or even local, Shatawale, Stoneboy, King Promise, the churches would also be having their concerts and end-of-year programs, conferences. The facility is not only the pitch, we have other amenities that can be used, equitably. But for Vibes Cartel, what I can say is that there has been engagement, there's been contact, and for now, that's all I can say. Yeah.
Okay, no, yaw Ampofo Ankara, Nelson, General Director, Edema, there's a National Sports Authority, and I want to cancel and some pay. It's an young story in Chatwana, Yemedi office anymore and Commodia. Summer test 1996. Antron Krata, Eddie Aquacoma, Nelson, Member of Parliament, Edema, Memphis East. Ano ayamamea nitini honorable Joanna Jan Kujo and also Memphis Central as a person onso beye board member edema sama testimony na achese nkrata no ana wo screen senom then insasa secretary as a president edema na seno sama test 1996 Mr. Richard Dua Nsenchire ana twa sankrata ya ɔno nso de akwa kwama ɛyɛ honorable Joanna Nelson Jane Kujo so ɔmo bɛsɛ na so ɔno nso ebetimi agyatom na wabɛyɛ board member atumi nso de ama kom announce no yɛ Samates 1996 a ɛne report wa yɛnsa ɛkan de bi ɛma ɛwɔ yɛ dwumadie no ɛso